Kung akala nyo sa Maynila lang matatagpuan ang masarap na pagkain plus magandang ambience, nagkakamali kayo. Dahil dito sa Molino, Cavite, natunto namin ng isang fine dining.
Via Romana is a Filipino-Spanish restaurant. We cater to everyone, to the families who would like to dine in a restaurant that gives this feel of relaxed ambiance, but then you would also want to showcase the Filipino pride. And then when it comes to food, so that's what I said, it's the Filipino-Spanish cuisines. So we also offer organic food. So we also have a small plantation in our place wherein that's where we get the vegetables that we use for the food.
Very uneasy ang kumain sa mga fine dining, lalo na't hindi mo naman kinasanayan ng pagkain sa mga ganitong lugar. Pero ang Spanish-Filipino restaurant na ito, fine dining man, but more on relaxed setting. Amin ding nalaman na lahat ng makikita mo sa loob ng restaurant ay for sale.
In this case, in our restaurant, all the furnitures that we use here, we make use of indigenous materials. So we are partners with a exporting company. So everything that you see, even the panels, all the ceiling treatments, all are indigenous materials. When we were trying to really showcase ano ba yung maganda to parang i-present sa mga tao, especially here in Cavite. So parang mostly kasi these are families who would really want yung mga ganong klaseng food. So parang to add up the feeling of this restaurant as a Filipino restaurant. So parang why not showcase rin yung what's with us, Filipino things. So yun. So parang gusto namin mag-create ng parang very relaxing ambiance using this indigenous materials, tapos parang medyo contemporary kasi within Cavite rin naman medyo wala pa kasing ganitong concept. That's why we decided to put up yung ganito. We have prices ready for the furnitures with this, but then besides this, if they really want other furniture, we also have may mga profiles kami. It depends kasi on the requirement of the client. We also have sala sets, gano'n. So, these are just part of what we could offer.
Oops! Sandali lang. Bago tayo tuluyang matakam sa mga pagkain kanilang hinahain, binisita na muna namin ang kanilang mini plantation.
So, we're here in our small plantation. So, sa plantation na to, dito namin ginogrow yung sinasabi namin mga organic vegetables and organic fruits that we use dun sa restaurant. So, the salads are freshly made and freshly picked within our plantation. So, we have a partnership with an organic fertilizer distributor. So, yan. So, that's why we made up a small plantation para makita ng mga tao how organic these vegetables are. So, ayan. Now that you've seen kung saan namin kinukuha yung mga pinanggagalingan ng food natin, halika't matakam at mabusog sa pagkain ihahanda namin para sa inyo. Cheese and aubergine and filo pastry for appetizer and paradiso house salad. So these salads actually, kung ano yung nasabi namin kanina, these are organic vegetables. So we've got this, homegrown lahat to, galing sa plantation namin. And then we have our famous pancit paradiso. So this is a mixed platter, may bihon and canton. So it's up to you if you would like bihon lang or canton. But this is with a twist. So kakaiba siya. It's different from all normal pancit we have. And then we for the vegetables, we have pinakbet. So our pinakbet is also one of our best-selling dishes here. So, may kakaibang twist rin siya. May halong, medyo manamis-namis yung ginagamit namin na parang shrimp paste for this. And then, our most famous kare-kare, we have 3 varieties of kare-kare. We have beef kare-kare, seafood kare-kare, and also we put a twist in it, so that's why we've come up with a crispy kare-kare. So our crispy kare-kare, this is served, the sauce is separate from the food itself para ma-maintain natin yung crispiness. So it's up to our client if gusto na nila na ilagay yung sauce or sila na lang yung maglalagay. And then, of course, as what we've said, Filipino-Spanish kasi tayo, so hindi mawawala yung paella. This is paella na paradiso. Halo ito ng meat and mga seafood.
Mapa-appetizer man o entrees, sulit na sulit ang lalakbayin nyo sa pagbisita sa Spanish-Filipino restaurant na ito sa Cavite. Para sa homepage, ako si Joanne Chavez.